across the world are, and of course, at least responsible governments are trying to hold platforms accountable. But see, ultimately, it comes down to individual accountability. There are people who have the privilege of education, the privilege of access and awareness, the privilege of having, communities like this where they can have discussions, where they can have conversations, where they can help empower each other, where they can learn from each other, where they understand terms like misinformation, where they understand what this means, etc., etc. And then there are tons and tons of people who don't have these privileges across the world are, and of course, at least responsible governments are trying to hold platforms accountable. But see, ultimately, it comes down to individual accountability. Every one of these platforms was started not thinking, it was started with the idea that they are trying to change the world towards, at least the utopian idea that everybody had, or the aspiration was always to make the world, more connected, make it more, this larger community of folks, make it more positive, etc., etc. The hate has actually been brought on here by human beings. So while of course the platforms are, making sure that they benefit off of it, they monetize this hate, great. But it's been brought here by human beings, and ultimately to get through to other human beings, I don't think we should look at, this is not just a function of, the world that we live in today, right? We are seeing it because of the internet at large. But when I always, sometimes I have a conversation with my old friends, and we grew up in the 90s, and people were like, यार उस टाइम इतना दुनिया ना इतनी खराब नहीं थी. And we were like, नहीं यार, दुनिया खराब ही थी, हमें शायद पता नहीं था दुनिया कितनी खराब है, because we didn't have access to this understanding. But now we do have that access. Now we know how bad the world is, and which is why we have the power to be able to change it. If somebody raised a voice, only a few people could hear. But today, if you raise a voice, there are thousands of people and millions of people on the internet who can hear if you have something, important to say. So use that voice. It's very important that your voice is heard. If you care about something, if you're passionate about something, if you have a voice, use it. Get the humanity beyond that opinion. We reduce our world to labels. हमने सोच दिया कि जो ना कि किसी ने एक ओपिनियन दिया ना, वो ओपिनियन ना वही इंसान है. If somebody has said this one tweet, that means this person is exactly like that. I know everything about this person. मैंने किसी का एक tweet पढ़ लिया, मैं सब जान गया उस इंसान के बारे में. That's not true. People say all kinds of things. People are very complex here. Even you will not find a perfect representation of all that is good and wise and beautiful in the world. That's never going to happen. So what should we start doing? We should start understanding that with every imperfection that everybody has does not make them evil, does not make them hateful, does not make them inhuman. Let's start going beyond these informations, try to understand the roots and the stories and the hearts that lie, that lead to these. Why do people say the words they do? Try to understand that. I have now really changed my opinion. I think that let's try and create our spaces. Let's try creating, spaces that we feel proud of, that where we can engage, where we can, if you, Kashyap, have something to say, find other people who also have the same to say, grow your community, make sure every one of them offline is getting more people to understand this, or even using the online in a better way to talk about and amplify your messaging. I think that's going to be a much better thing, because that might reach somebody